In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Hisense subwoofer with your Hisense soundbar in case they are disconnected. So first thing is we need to go on the subwoofer, and some of them will have the button on the front, but this model over here has a button on the back. So you need to find a button. All right, my button is on the back right beside the power cable. And you should also see a blue light. If the blue light is flashing, it means that the subwoofer is not currently connected to your soundbar. At the end of this process, the light should not blink. It should just stay blue, just to confirm they are connected. So how do you do it? Well, first of all, we need to keep press this pair button until we hear something coming out of this soundbar. It will be like a melody or a noise. Sometimes it even says some numbers. Okay, so I'll press this pair button, keep it pressed. Okay, did you hear that? This is the subwoofer that made this sound, simply to tell you that it's now in pairing mode. Next, we need to go on the soundbar, and they will not connect automatically. You need to take the remote of the soundbar, and you see on the top right corner, you have this button. This is the button you usually use to change the input of the soundbar, but it also acts as a pairing button for the subwoofer. So point it and keep it pressed. Okay, keep it pressed.
Subwoofer pairing.
You see, you heard subwoofer pairing. If you have a screen, you're gonna see
subwoofer paired.
Subwoofer pairing, and yeah, it just confirmed that they got paired. So keep it pressed, and if nothing is happening, release the button and try again. Keep it pressed. That's the only way to put your Hisense soundbar in pairing mode, so both of them are seeing each other. And as you see here, the blue light that was blinking is now staying blue, signifying that they're paired. And yeah, you're good to go. You can go ahead and listen to your TV shows, music. And if they disconnect in the future, well, you'll know what to do. So thanks for watching. I really hope this was helpful. If so, please leave a comment down below. Or if you have any other tricks about these soundbars, leave a comment. I'll try to read them. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.